Page number 196, question number 10. Prepare final accounts from the trial balance and adjustments of NIRMI as on 31/3/2015. Capital, yes, liability side. Okay. Then drawings, again liability side. Land and building, asset. Plant and machinery, asset. Furniture, asset. Now leasehold building, also over asset. Now leasehold building, you can see in the bracket that date is given and number of years are also given. So there is a hidden adjustment. So tick करो leasehold building को और वहाँ पे H लिखो tick के पास. So you know there is a hidden adjustment in this. How did you know it's a hidden adjustment? Because some information is given in the bracket. What's the information? We took the lease on 1/4/2014 for 5 years. So एक साल खत्म हो गया लीज का. Accordingly, we have to write off या transfer करना एक साल का from leasehold building से profit and loss. I'll explain when we go to it once again. Now, sales trading, purchase return, deduct from purchase, tick कर दो purchase को. Debtors, asset, 12% loan. Now you can see percentage is also given and date is also given. Now check karo, do you have interest on loan anywhere in the trial balance? Now you have taken a loan on, ध्यान देना please, 8/10/2014 को you took a loan. 6 months you utilize the money. So can I say you have to pay interest for 6 months? Okay, so far you have not paid, so can I say that is outstanding interest? All of you understood the concept. We'll do it once again. So it is also a hidden adjustment. Tick and write H, so that we will do hidden adjustment along with the trial balance. Then sales return, tick sales, goods stock के बाद है sales. Then freight and octroi, trading, sundry expense, profit and loss, insurance premium, profit and loss, bad debt, bracket में लिखो T because it is as per trial balance. It will go to profit and loss. Bad debt reserve, again write bracket में T. Now over here you also have discount reserve on debtors. So bracket में you write T. Discount reserve on debtors, again it will go to profit and loss. Commission received, profit and loss. Goods stock, opening stock, trading, salary, profit and loss. Okay. Then wages, trading, creditors, liability, debt, stock, asset. Bank overdraft, liability, cash balance, carriage inward, carriage outward. Okay. Bills दोनों है 12,000 and 7,000. So 12,000 is asset and 7,000 is liability. Then discount, we have 5,100 and 2,000. So 5,100 is profit and loss debit and 2,000 is profit and loss credit. Okay, is the trial balance tallying? Okay, always check this. Now closing stock later. Fire occurred in the business on 31/1/2015, due to which goods of 8,000 were destroyed and the insurance company accepted a claim of 70%. So now goods are destroyed, goods goes out. इसमें से minus करेंगे from purchase. So take purchase again. Out of debtors, 6,000 are not recoverable, so they are to be written off. Written off करना यानी उसको minus करना. Provide bad debts minus करके profit and loss में transfer करना is known as written off. Provide bad debt reserve 5% and discount reserve 2%. So you take debtors. We will do the working for debtors. Did you find debtors? Yes. Okay, then. Credit purchase 6,000. Acha, you also have discount reserve. Okay, so you have bad debt reserve also and discount reserve also. Credit purchase 6,000 and credit purchase return of 1,000 were not recorded. So we have to take purchase return, yani purchase once again and purchase once again. There are 4 adjustments in purchase. One is for normal purchase return, other is for goods destroyed, then for unrecorded purchases and unrecorded credit purchase return. Now जो unrecorded है, it will also affect your creditors. So take creditor twice. There will be 2 effects in creditors. Then depreciation 10% on fixed asset. What are our fixed assets over here? Land and building, take machinery, take furniture, take leasehold building. Leasehold building is also our asset, but it is for a period of only 5 years. So usme we will write off 1/5. I'll explain that when we go to it. Insurance premium includes 30 to 100 for the next year. So take insurance premium. 50% commission is received. Now ये जो commission received है 6,000, that is only 50%. So how much is still to be received? Remaining 50%. So take commission, again adjustment. Now you can see it's a lengthy sum, lots of hidden adjustments. Okay, so make a trading account, then profit and loss. On the opposite side, leave around 6 lines blank because it may happen कि profit and loss you may have to carry forward, and then make the balance sheet. Balance sheet also lots of adjustment. Be very scheduled tight. Okay. Start with capital 2,70,000. Capital opening balance. Quiet please. Now you focus on the sum please. It's really a tough sum. तुम अगर ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो you will skip out important adjustments. 12 marks का sum minimum. Now opening balance plus you do it with me. You focus on this sum please. Addition plus interest on capital. 3 lines blank. Minus drawings 16,200. Minus addition. Minus interest on drawings. Land and building. Inner column 1,80,000. Then machinery again, inner column 1,26,000. Furniture 22,500. Leasehold building. Now it's a hidden adjustment, so we'll do it together along with this only. Leasehold building, inner column 45,000. Pay attention now. Quiet please. Now, what is a leasehold building? Lease यानी पता है ना सबको, lease agreement होते हैं. Now lease is generally for a longer period of time. Okay, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, even 100 years lease भी होते हैं. Now lease में क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? हमने 5 years का rent lease एक साथ पे कर दिया. Okay, so total we have paid 45,000. नाउ जैसे जैसे हम बिल्डिंग को यूज करेंगे कैन आई से मेरा अमाउंट यूटिलाइज होना चालू हो गया। तो ये 5 साल के लिए 45,000 है, तो 1 साल का कितना, 5 years का 45, so 1 year का कितना 9,000। तो when did we start this lease? It started on 1/4/2014. Year end is 31/3/2015, यानी पूरा 1 साल यूज किया। 45,000 is for 5 years, so 1 year का 9,000. All of you understood this? If this date was 1/10/2014, ऐसा आता है एग्जाम में, if this date was 1/10/2014, so can I say 5 साल का 45, so 1 साल का 9,000, पर हमने यूज किया only for 6 months, so that comes to only 4,000. Okay, here it is a hidden adjustment because date is given and number of years are given. तो हमने यूज किया ही 1 साल, ऐसा एडजस्टमेंट में नहीं लिखा है कि you have to write off, but information is given. We see that information and we do the adjustment. That's why it's known as a hidden adjustment. Okay, so from here, leasehold building, just like depreciation, we write off 1/5, which is 9,000. So outer column is 36,000. You understood this? Now, since it's an adjustment, there will be 2 effects. First effect, decrease in the asset, decreases our reduction loss expense, so it comes to profit and loss debit. First 2 lines blank. To leasehold building, return of 9,000. All of you in the class understood this? No, we don't use the word depreciation over here. But here it is basically, the complete ownership is not with me throughout my life, throughout the life of the building or life of the business. Here it is only for 5 years, and we have paid rent for 5 years. So it is just like you can say rent paid in advance. You understood this? We have paid for 5 years. 1 साल खत्म हो गया, तो 1 साल हमने वो यूटिलाइज कर दिया, तो 1 साल का हम इसमें से माइनस करके ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. So we use the word write off. We don't use the word depreciation. Okay, it is building. Dates पे ध्यान देना. यहाँ पे डेट दिया है 1/10/2014 for 5 years. Okay, now all of you have done given 2 effects. Given 2 effects. Okay, sales. By sales 4,50,000 inner column. Minus sales return 9,000. Only one adjustment. 4,41,000. Purchase return. So we have to record purchase first, but before we record purchase, what will write first? Opening stock. To opening stock. Purchases. 2 purchases. Amount is 1,80,000. Now there are 4 things in this. So first of all, we deduct purchase return, but before deducting, why don't we record unrecorded purchase? Okay, that will be better. So purchase is 1,80,000. You also write creditors over here, so that we don't forget later. Creditors, purchase, creditors likha. Okay, creditors, inner column 28,200. Plus unrecorded. Unrecorded purchase is 6,000. $1,86,000 over here plus unrecorded purchase 6,000. 24,200. Still in the inner column because we have unrecorded purchase return also. Minus purchase return. This purchase return is as per trial balance. So I am writing in the bracket T. As per trial balance, only one effect. 10,800. And then again minus purchase return unrecorded. That is 1,000. Inner column, do the totals, don't take it to the outside column.
174200.
How much?
174200.
174200. Now on purchase return unrecorded, so creditor में से हो जाएगा minus 33,200. Oh, you understood this? Unrecorded purchase है तो creditors को we have to pay, और purchase return है तो we have to pay less, so we subtract. Okay, next, debtors. Now we have so many things in debtors in this sum. That's why when you read the sum, you be attentive, ताकि तुम्हें याद रहे कि तुमने जो adjustments पढ़े थे, कहाँ पे टिक किया था, क्यों टिक किया था. Otherwise, तुम ये sum बराबर नहीं कर पाओगे, mistake होगा, your marks will go away. Okay, debtors में याद है ना, हमने adjustment में पढ़ा था. Bad debt है, discount reserve भी है, और bad debt reserve भी है. Okay, so debtors 81,000. Minus bad debt as per adjustment है, it's not asset. Minus bad debt reserve as per adjustment, and finally minus discount reserve as per adjustment. So how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 12% loan, very important. Please ध्यान देना, again a hidden adjustment. 12% loan, inner column from the 2. 27,000. ध्यान देना please. We have taken a loan from a person on 1/10/2014. On 1/10/2014. Okay, इस दिन को हमने लोन लिया 1 अक्टूबर को. हमारा ईयर एंड क्या है? 31/3/2015. If you have any confusion in exam, you please write it so that you don't make a mistake. So 1/10 say 31/3. How many months we have used the money? So can I say I have to pay interest for 6 months? So let's calculate the interest. Amount is 27,000 into how much percent? 12% into 6/12. How much? 1620. All of you understood this? Now, in this trial balance, no interest is given. Interest दिया ही नहीं. अच्छा, you remember in one of the sum we had such adjustment. Interest on investment भी था और loan भी था, bank loan. At that time I told you, तुमने देखा ये match हो गया 50,000 वाला, 1,50,000 पे 10%. Now, over here, we are supposed to pay 1620, but have we paid? Can I say already expense हो गया? So it is our outstanding expense. So we record that. First effect, profit and loss account debit side to interest on loan. Amount is 1620. Second effect, we will add to our loan because it is our liability. So plus outstanding interest 1620. 28620. Be careful, these are real sums of final accounts. ऐसे ही सब एग्जाम में आएंगे. किसी को डाउट है ये? समझ में आया ना? तुमने बैंक में एफडी रखा 1 साल का, 6 महीना हो गया तो कहने से 6 महीने का इंटरेस्ट पे तुम्हारा राइट है. अगर 6 महीने बाद तुम एफडी कैंसिल करा जाओगे तो 6 महीने का इंटरेस्ट मांगोगे कि नहीं? ओके. नाउ परचेज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. सेल्स रिटर्न वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. Freight and octroi 13,500 to freight and octroi. Now over here, leave a line blank. What for it is blank? Goods, yes. To freight and octroi. 13,500. Sundry expense 3,150. Insurance premium 14,200. Inner column. Bad debts. Now we have the format of bad debts. All of you know the format. Okay, so to bad debt as per trial balance. That is how much? 40. 12,080. 12,080. Plus we also have bad debt as per adjustment. Plus bad debt reserve as per adjustment and minus bad debt reserve as per trial balance. As per trial balance we have 12,600. Now the format is like this. You learn the format. याद रहेगा format कैसे? Now after bad debts and bad debt reserve, we also have discount reserve. Now in this sum, we have discount reserve as per adjustment also. Discount reserve को tick कर दो. If you have not ticked. Now discount reserve on debtor, we have one more adjustment. Okay, now it is actually the same format. ध्यान दो please. Only difference is this B will go away. You will have discount as per trial balance. Now in this sum, do you have discount as per trial balance? Right, we have discount which is 5,100. Take discount, take discount, take discount. You're right. We have discount 5,100. So first is discount as per trial balance. Then you will never have discount as per adjustment. Then you have discount reserve as per adjustment, and you have discount reserve as per trial balance. So what you can do is you can write the same format. Don't write this B. You understood this? Okay, जो नहीं है वो हम कर देंगे dash. So उसके नीचे लिखो to D in the bracket T discount as per trial balance, which is we'll see it later, plus discount as per adjustment, never there. But we follow this order, plus discount reserve as per adjustment and minus discount reserve as per trial balance. Same format, सिर्फ ये B निकल जाएगा. This B will go away. Is this clear? So there is no confusion. Again T A A T. Got it? You want me to explain again? Understood this? Okay, now discount reserve on debtors 6,000. Discount reserve on trial balance is 450. Regret the inconvenience cost. Commission received. By commission received 6,000. Inner column. Good stock, we have already done. Salary 42,000. To salary, profit and loss account. Are you able to see? No. Okay, doesn't matter. You are able to listen. Okay. Anyways, I'll not write over here. I've kept first 2 lines blank. I'll utilize it to salary. You need not do it right now. तुम्हारे पास जगह है तो. Okay. To salary. Amount is 42,000. Inner column. Then we have wages. 6,600. 2 wages. Creditors we have already done. Debt stock 4,500. Balance sheet asset, it's a current asset. Today. 4,500. Bank overdraft 18,900. Cash balance 36,720. Generally the last one. 36,720. Carriage inward trading account 7,500. Carriage inward is 6,000. Carriage outward 7,500 profit and loss account. So carriage outward. Profit and loss account में लिखना if you are not able to see carriage outward 7,500. Bills receivable 12,000. How much is bill receivable? 12,000. Bills payable 7,000. Discount as per trial balance 5,100 in our format 5,100 and by discount received amount is 2,000. Check all the accounts, go through the trial balance. We have already done 2 adjustments, hidden adjustments. Check whether you have given 2 effects or not. This is really important. Salary, we don't have adjustment? Okay, not a problem. I've extended profit and loss account over here also because of lack of space over here. Okay. You can use the margin if there is no space available. Okay. ऊपर margin use कर सकते हैं. Then now, once we'll do the sum, looking at the trial balance, you will come to know कि तुम्हें कितना बड़ा trading account, कितना profit and loss और कितना balance sheet करना है. अगर मान लो you are not able to judge, then take 1 page trading, 1 page profit and loss and 1 page balance sheet. That's the best thing. Okay, here we are doing so आमने सामने करते because it's easy for you to understand the adjustments. Now, first adjustment is of closing stock. Very simple. Closing stock was valued at 50,000. What are the 2 effects? Trading account, credit side, by closing stock. 50,000. Second effect, balance sheet, asset, closing stock. I request silence, please. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Then, fire occurred in the business on 31/1/2015, due to which goods of 8,000 were destroyed, and insurance company accepted a claim of 70%. So how much we can receive from insurance company? 5,600. So balance sheet, asset, insurance company, 5,600. How much is the loss due to fire? 2,400 to loss by fire. And 8,000 के goods goes out. So we deduct from purchase minus goods bought. 8,000. 200. 1,66,200. You understood this adjustment, all the three effects. Second adjustment, I'll read for you. Fire occurred in business on 31/1/2015, due to which goods of 8,000 were destroyed, and insurance company accepted a claim of 70%. So 8,000 के goods जो थे वो destroy हो गए. So first effect is deduct from purchase. Out of this 8,000, I'm going to receive 70%. Insurance company has not given me, but insurance company has accepted the claim. So insurance company receiver debit the receiver 5,600. And how much loss we have incurred? The loss we have incurred is 2,400. Third adjustment. Now, will you try the third adjustment on your own? Okay, please don't make noise and try the third adjustment on your own. Out of debtors, 6,000 are not recoverable, so they are to be written off. You understood what is written off? Written off means asset में से minus and transfer it to profit and loss. $6,000 minus bad debt as per adjustment. $5% bad debt reserve as per adjustment 3750 71250, and 2% is discount reserve. You do it together. One four two five.
Yes.
Six 825. All of you understood this? Once again, we had a total debtors of 81,000. उसमें से we deduct bad debt as per adjustment. 75,000 are your good debtors plus doubtful debtors. So we create a reserve 5%, and from this 71250, I'm sure ये पैसा मुझे मिलने वाला है. They are my good debtors. So when they will come to give me money, I'll have to give them discount. So abhi se I'll keep my reserve aside. So minus discount reserve as per adjustment 2%, 1425. Let's give the second effects. We already have the formats ready with us. This is the format of bad debts, and then this is the format of discount reserve. Bad debt as per adjustment 6,000. Bad debt reserve as per adjustment is 3750. How much? 9230. Now ध्यान दो. What if bad debt reserve as per trial balance is instead of 12,600, it is 1 lakh? Then what? if this is 1 lakh, can I say this will become negative?
Yes.
If this becomes negative by any chance, we don't write minus over here, we will record on the credit side. Be careful about it. Generally it doesn't happen, but if it happens, then don't write negative over here, you transfer it on the credit side and you write buy bad debt reserve. Is this clear? Okay. Now discount, let's give the second effect. Discount reserve as per adjustment is 1425. Discount as per adjustment dash and discount reserve as per adjustment is 1425. 6075. You learn the formats, you fill in the gaps, it's correct. Got it? Adjustment number 4 already done. Adjustment number 5. I want you to do it on your own and give the two effects without making noise, please. Don't do it. Is your depreciation correct? Have you given the two effects?
Yes.
Next adjustment, insurance premium. Should I wait?
No.
Okay, insurance premium includes 3200 for the next year. You understood what does this mean? कि out of total, ध्यान देना please, out of total 14,200, इसमें से 3,200 I have paid for the next year. So it is not my expense, it is my asset. Prepaid insurance 3,200, outer column 11,000. Second effect, balance sheet asset. Prepaid insurance 3,200. Now seventh is a typical adjustment. 50% commission is received. इसका मतलब 50% is outstanding. What do we do for outstanding? We do plus. We use the word receivable. Plus receivable 50%. That is again 6,000. All of you understood this? 50% we have already received, so 50% is receivable. Got it? Okay. Second effect, balance sheet asset, receivable, commission, 6,000. Check the adjustments. Have you given two effects or not? Closing stock. Now insurance claim mein there are three effects. Okay, one is insurance company loss, deduction from purchase. Then bad debts. They are given two effects everywhere. Check it out. Depreciation, credit purchase return already closed. Insurance and commission. Start. Closing. Start closing. 2888800. To gross profit. Transport. Profit and loss. By gross profit. 2888800. Transport from trading. One 77975. No net profit. Transfer to capital account. 177975. Plus net profit. Four three one seven seven five. दोनों तरफ का टोटल करके चेक करना, ओके?